Once again guys, welcome to Flash Santos channel. So today I'm going to show you how to run the sudo command without typing a password. So to do that, I'm going to open a terminal window here. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see. So and when you type a command like sudo apt update, as you can see, it is asking for my password. Yeah, that is because I want to run that command as root, and when I enter my password, the command will automatically run. So to fix that, I'm going to type this command, which is sudo visudo, and as you can see, this is the nano text editor. Yeah, and this is the sudo's file. Yeah, so we're going to come here and to allow members of group sudo to execute any command here. So we're going to add here our username, which is Santo, and then we're going to type this command. So after writing that command, what you want to do is press Ctrl plus O to write to the file, then Ctrl X to exit to the nano text editor. Yeah, but if maybe you want to use another text editor other than nano text editor, we're going to type this command, sudo editor is equals to vim. Let's say you want to use vim, then vsudo, and that will open the sudo's file using the vim text editor. Yeah, so in this case, I'm going to type the command that we typed earlier, which is sudo apt update, and as you can see, the command has run without asking us for a password here. So that is guys for today, and I will see you in the next one.